was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made something.
You too. What it do, man? 7-8 Chevy boy. Just getting up out of here, man. Out of the shop on a Friday evening, Valentine's Day. Got a couple errands to run. I already got my girls, they stuff, man. Got Boss Lady, her stuff. Mama Ward, Paris, already got them out the way. And y'all will see Boss Lady other present actually came through today. It wasn't necessarily a Valentine's Day present, but it fell on today, man. Might as well gonna tell y'all gonna see it, man. I found Boss Lady a car. Finally got a car, man. This week been stressful, man. Been bidding on them cars, man, because, you know, I get them from Copart. And man, we got a car. I'm going to go pick it up Monday. Got to run to Jackson, Mississippi. So we're going to go down there and get the car Monday, man. Well, I'm going to go. And that's a good thing, man. She happy about that. She excited. I saw the pictures of it. It's going to be a nice one, man. It's going to be a real nice one. Blessed to get that. But I'm out here waiting. I got a couple errands to run. As far as, man, Boss Lady tonight, man, you know, we know how to make a good time out of any situation, anytime. So, man, we chilling tonight. I just placed an online order for Longhorn. Man, we finna go to some Longhorn, sit on that couch, watch us a good movie, man, get on our level, get them Stanley Cups ready. And, man, we just finna enjoy each other in the comfort of our own home, man. But while I'm waiting, letting the car warm up, my little homie Trey, man, 901 Trey, about to pull up on me. He said he gonna pull up on me. He said he had something for me, man. He said he had a gift for me. So I'm gonna wait around on Trey. He should be pulling up. Or either I'm gonna, because I'm going the opposite direction. Excuse me. I'm going the opposite direction, so I'll just wait on him. And see what he got, man. You know, he just hit me up out the blue, like, OG, I got something for you, man. I got to get it to you. And so he called me today. He was like, man, how long you going to be there? And I told him, and actually my last appointment canceled, and I ain't even mad, boy. I'm happy. I can get out of here a little earlier. But my last appointment canceled, and so that's why I'm just sitting here waiting on Trey. Once I grab that from him, run my couple errands, man, and I'm gonna go on to the crib. So keep it locked, man. I'm gonna throw it back on once Trey get here, and so we see what's going on. See what Trey got for OG, man. All right. Brother, just pulled up. What up with it, man?
How you doing today?
Man, I'm good, man.
Y'all already know what time it is, man.
Yeah.
It's 901 Trey in the building.
What it is?
What I'm saying, 901_TRAY, man.
Hey.
On all platforms, YouTube, Instagram. It ain't on Facebook, but y'all gonna get it when you click the link. You
Hey,
dig?
y'all see it, man. Make sure y'all follow him, man.
My little appreciation to you.
Hey,
you
man.
gonna finish.
Hey, man. Hold on. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got. Got that. Oh, man. Hold on. I'm make sure y'all see this, man. Can you see it?
Flashlight on it, so
yeah. Let's see. There we go. Yes, sir. Throwing it right on the keychain, bro. As soon as I get to the crib, y'all see that? Custom made, man. Nice keychain, bro. I appreciate that for real, Trey.
3D print.
Yeah.
I thought about that. I said, my P birthday coming up. Let me see if I can, do something for his birthday. And luckily the dude, he had a new Linux, Illinois.
Yeah.
He do a lot of 3D print. He make a lot of 3D print for like old school too.
For real?
A lot. He got a big 3D printing machine. And
yeah.
He got a ton of them, like different colors.
It's,
let me get the almost like rose gold kind of match the like penny.
Man, I'm throwing it right on there, bro. I appreciate that, man. It's funny you say that, man. My partner, I don't think you ever met him. He got the white Blazer with the LS in it. he came out to the. You didn't go to the cruise and break bread with us.
Yeah.
But he bought him one, man. He finna start messing around with it. Yeah.
They lit. I'm gonna show you the dude that made it. You probably know him. TJ Dasher.
I ain't never heard
he
of
work
him.
custom. There you go.
Hey, plenty of them junk. Yeah, send me his page though. Yeah, I ain't never seen it page.
So don't post it. I'm gonna make a little video and give it to him.
Yeah.
And then you can post it. But
yeah, I like that.
That ain't bad.
Putting it right on the keychain, bro.
I'm gonna send you this page now.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought about that. I'm like, man, let me get him some for his birthday.
Yeah. What y'all doing today, man?
I got this joint early today.
Yeah.
I think I ain't gonna lie, they gonna total that joint out. It's cool though, cause I got some on my sleeve.
Yeah.
For when they gonna pay me out, so. Yeah, I'm just waiting on that.
Okay.
I'm still in the process. Man, just gotta go to third pin.
Yeah.
That's it, third pin. Keep going until
everything come through.
Get your boy settling in the phone.
Yeah, man. What he's speaking on, man, 901 Trey. If y'all haven't seen it on his channel, man, the GTO. He the one that was with us New Year's Day. You know, he was doing the filming too, and I had him sitting in the car. I got the G8, the gray G8, man. Man, he messing around. Somebody hit him, man. Hit him like damn near T-boned him.
Oh yeah, they did.
And
I don't know if y'all can really just see it.
Oh, they got it on video too?
Oh yeah, man, I made sure to go to the store and get that. So he pulled right here. He pulled out right here. It's a truck turned in, but he ain't see what was on the other side. And by the time he didn't, you know, he just pulled out willingly.
Mm-hmm.
And when he hit me, I did a whole 180. That's gonna come up in a few seconds right here. Wow.
Oh dang.
Yeah,
cause that truck probably was
turning in, and he ain't see. He just came out.
God.
Yeah, it's ugly. It's ugly. Luckily, I had insurance. Luckily, he had insurance.
Right. That's the good thing, man.
Yeah.
Having that insurance. So.
Just wasn't paying attention. I was like, man, if he waited a few seconds more, I could have. Cause by the time when he came out, I seen him, but it was too late. And I hit the gas to try to get out.
Mm-hmm.
He hit me. I clenched on the steering wheel so hard. It was over after that.
And he was trying to jump cross.
Oh yeah,
he was trying, because he wasn't going back that way. He was trying to go back to go that way,
left,
right?
So when he came out going left, he T-boned us. It was over with. Luckily, it was a witness. She gave a witness report, but that's helpful. But I went to the store and get the video, so video that
don't
video,
lie. It ain't gonna lie.
You
you can't argue against it, man.
At all.
So hopefully they take care of you good, man. Especially so you can get what you want. You know, something even better. You know what I'm saying? Possibly even better, bro.
My lawyer, he said, man, they gonna come out, they gonna adjust your car, assess your car, you know what it's worth. And I said, man, I got a lot of upgrades on that car. I got receipts for everything I bought. He was like, well, that's good. Keep that. And he said, man, what he say? What he say after that? He said, we're gonna deal with that. We're gonna go for it or whatever we gotta do. And the crazy thing about it, the dude that hit me, he on the car lot.
For real?
Yeah. On the car lot.
Damn.
I said, I don't want no car that he got.
Right.
I wasn't even done finished with my car. My car was supposed to be going in the body shop, but it just, how I look at it, it's just really a blessing in disguise. For the basically just trying to get something else.
Like an upgrade.
And for the past 2 months, I've been having hell with just like everything, just life in general. But I just try to keep faith and just really just keep going.
Yeah.
So I ain't like life be life, and I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, 24 for me, bro. I don't talk about a lot online, but the end of 23 and 24, bro. It'll show you, man. But like you say, you gotta keep God first of all, man. Just keep pushing. Adapt and adjust when we get to them obstacles. I had to teach my wife that over the years. Like, you know, we face a little obstacle. Don't just think negative and just think shit finna go, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
You know, real bad and that. No, think positive. We gonna adapt and adjust. So that's my thing. I learned that from a cat a long time ago.
And it just like sometimes, you know, situations will throw you off because probably you ain't never been in that situation.
Yeah.
So it's like, man, I'm always up and grooving and trying to get here and get there and do that. But sometimes it's a learning experience because you might need that to happen, but not in that way. But it's gonna happen when it happens.
Exactly.
Just to really just slow you down and open your eyes. To
sit you down.
A lot. Yeah, basically, sit you down. And I really want to do them up and driving trucks, but you know, it was just a blessing in disguise for it to happen. But it's cool. It is what it is. My lawyer, he said the car gonna go to Copart. Since they only made that car in 2 years, you can't get no parts from the dealership, like doors, nothing like that. You can't get from the dealership, so they gonna tow it out, which I already knew. So he said I can buy it back from Copart for their storage fee, so I'm gonna just buy it back and it run and drive. I'm gonna just sell it salvage, you know, for $6. The motor got like 90,000 miles on the motor. It got a fresh transmission in it, so that's about it.
So either way it go, if you buy it back, you still gonna sell it. You gonna go and get something new. Okay.
I don't even want to deal with it at that point. It's got to go.
I got you.
But yeah, I'm gonna get something nice.
I already know.
It's gonna be boosted. I'm gonna say that for sure.
Ooh, what's it gonna be boosted, man?
It's gonna be crazy.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah, that's about it on that one.
Cool.
Keep going with life. That's it. Just stay prayed up.
Yeah, for sure. For sure, bro.
I just had to bring that back. I wasn't doing nothing else, man. My girl was just out. Going for a little Instacart.
Yeah.
You know, until I go back to work tomorrow. But other than that, I've just been chilling.
Yeah, I'm finna run. I got a little errand to run. I'm gonna pick up our food. We're gonna grab something from Longhorn, eat at the house, man. Watch a movie.
Man, every time you go
thanks, same to y'all, man.
Longhorn is where it's at.
I get that Parmesan crusted chicken, man. That's my favorite, bro.
Have you tried what is it? They 10-ounce sirloin steak?
I never had a steak from those, believe it or not.
Man,
10-ounce sirloin.
Yes, they marinate it so good. Like you don't need no steak sauce. Cause what it come with. You get grilled shrimp, you get the steak, and they give you broccoli and fries.
Yeah.
I'm just a big bag. I eat it all at one time when I cut my steak up.
Right.
The grilled shrimp bust.
I'm about to try something else. We like just for habit.
Yeah.
Every time we always get that.
Get the same thing.
Yeah.
My thing is with that too. I like to get the same thing because I don't want to get nothing else in it. I don't like it.
Right. So do you eat the broccoli from there?
Now, steamed broccoli.
Now see, we love that, but do this next time you get it. Tell them you want it double steamed. You ever told them that? Tell them you want double steamed broccoli. They're gonna make it a little more softer. Cause sometimes we get it regular and it be kind of hard, but you get double steamed, bro. It gonna be a little more soft. You gonna love it, dog.
I might try it out tonight.
Yeah, man.
I might try it out tonight for real.
Okay.
But yeah, man. Y'all see it, man. Boy.
Yes, sir. He'll be back. He'll be back, man.
Oh, yeah. And the bounce back gonna be real for sure. It's gonna be crazy.
I can't wait, boy. He said booster. Y'all should see how he was driving that naturally aspirated. I can't wait to see him in something boosted, boy.
We're gonna stay tuned. I'm gonna give you an update on it.
All right, yeah. Keep me posted, man.
Just go.
All right, take it easy. Well, you too. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Little bro, man, he bought me that keychain. I promise I'm finna go home, put it right on my keys, man. That was nice. The thought of him even thinking of me, bro, on my birthday, that says a lot, man. That really says a lot. Looking at my phone. Yeah, that says a lot, bro. The thought that count. And I'm sure gonna wear it out, boy. Wear that mug on them keys to the plate fall out that joint. To the 78 Chevy boy plate fall out of it. For real. But yeah, I'm finna continue to run my errands, man. I want y'all to keep it locked. Keep it locked, man. 78 Chevy boy. This quick little video, man. We up out of here. Alright. What it do, man? 78 Chevy boy coming at you again to remind you about the 4th annual Connecting Never Competing Car Show going down May 31st. Southaven, Mississippi at the Lander Center. I just want to let you know, as we come out to showcase these amazing vehicles, we also want to take a moment to recognize something very important: autism awareness. Autism is a spectrum, and that means no two people with autism are exactly the same. It's often invisible, but its impact is very real, and it can touch the lives of individuals, families, and communities in profound ways. This is why it's so important for us to come together to raise awareness and to foster inclusivity and support for individuals with autism and their families. By recognizing autism at the 4th annual CNC Carshow, we are not just showing support for those who have ASD, but we're also creating an environment where acceptance, respect, and kindness is celebrated. Just like every car that's going to be there has a unique design, so does every individual. Embracing those differences make our community richer, stronger, and more connected. So with that being said, anyone that has a loved one, friend, it doesn't matter, with autism, and you all want to come to the show and enjoy the festivities, please get with me. I have free tickets for you. Contact 78 Chevy Boy. It's going down May 31st, Southaven, Mississippi. Be there. All right?
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven,